A reminder that laughter and joy truly is the best medicine. It benefits our physical health, boosting immunity, increasing infection-fighting antibodies, and enhancing T-cell effectiveness to ward off illnesses, protecting our hearts, improving blood vessel function, increasing blood flow, and lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. It helps to relieve pain, triggering endorphins that serve as natural painkillers, improving overall pain tolerance. It helps to relax our muscles, relieving physical tension, leaving core and facial muscles relaxed for up to 45 minutes. It helps to burn calories, elevating our heart rate. If we laugh or we experience laughter for 10 to 15 minutes a day, we can burn up to 40 calories. It has mental and emotional benefits, reducing stress, helping to cool down our body's stress response system and alleviating anxiety. It shifts perspective, creating psychological distance from problems, seeing difficult situations in a less threatening light. Diffusing anger. It breaks the grip of resentment, self-blame, and bitterness during these tense confrontations. Improving mood and altering baseline neurotransmitter levels to combat symptoms of depression and sadness. It also has social benefits. Connecting through shared humor, building trust, and strengthening secure relationships. It also helps to ease conflict. It uses lightheartedness to dissolve barriers, lowers defensive reactions, and also helping to resolve disagreements faster. Today's move. Split squats, 10 on each leg. Keep your back straight and keep at it. Switch sides. Keep on moving, keep on smiling, and have a good day. Go well.